Oh, gentle, Ella, gentle. Oh my goodness. Can you dance for Alexa? No, 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 you don't sit on her. Up, Ella. Okay, can you dance for her?
Sit up.
Oh, you're gonna sit over there. Okay. Oh my goodness. Can you dance for her?
Hi.
No, hi. No, can you dance? Oh my goodness. Are you giving her a big hug?
Hi. Hi. Hi.
She's saying, Ella, let go, honey. Oh my goodness, you're being silly. Why don't you jump? Alexa likes to see you jump. No, you have to do it in front of her. No. Come on. Lex. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi, honey. Yeah. Did you have a good nap? You did? Yes, you did. You had a good nap. Huh? No? You didn't have a good nap? Alexa. Do you miss Daddy?